If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Thank you. Keyboard. My mouse has a couple nicks in the cable. I was rearranging my desk. I don't know if I did it, but on my keyboard I'm missing a couple of keys. My cats, I don't know what they were doing to it. Where the keys went, I swept underneath the bed, down the hall, but they play hockey with anything they get a hold of, so God knows where it ricocheted, and I cleaned the house from top to bottom, so maybe I swept it up the other day before I even noticed that it was missing. So anyways, we need to replace the USB keyboard. I have no idea what this one is. It came with my Dell computer, but it's made in China. I'm sure the Surf On is also made in China. So we're going to replace the optical mouse and keyboard, fire the computer up, and hopefully it recognizes both of those and we're good to go. So this was like $7 and the keyboard was like $11.50 at the time of this video, January 2022. Yeah, I must not be smart enough. That little lock flap kind of threw me. Open it up. Got a little piece of sponge wrap here. Looks like all the keyboards are there. Our keys are in the keyboard, so let's get it out of the package. Okay, so I got the keyboard in. It's probably an inch wider than my other keyboard. Same length. Mouse, kind of just a bland feel to it. But seems to work, so let's get the computer fired up and make sure everything works. I plugged the keyboard and the mouse back in the same USB ports which they were unplugged from, so hopefully it doesn't cause a conflict. Okay, I'm not really fond of these keys. This one was a little more raised. Give it a really detent. These ones are softer. I have carpal tunnel. It's kind of hard to tell when I'm actually depressing a key. There's no actual, not that I hear a click, but a little detent, like a momentum resistance on the finger.